Comfortable, weather-appropriate clothing. Check the climate of the rehab center. Pajamas, loungewear, and exercise attire. Undergarments and socks for at least a week. Comfortable shoes and slippers with non-slip soles. Personal hygiene items like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, and soap. Deodorant and skincare products. Prescription medications and a copy of your prescriptions. A list of emergency contacts and your medical history. Journal or notebook for self-reflection. Photos of loved ones or inspirational quotes. A good book for downtime. Music player with headphones. Puzzle books, playing cards, or other non-electronic entertainment. Journaling materials to document your progress. Some cash for incidentals. Identification, driver's license, Idaho card, health insurance card. Your favorite pillow or blanket for comfort. A small, sentimental item for emotional support. Healthy snacks like granola bars or nuts for cravings. Laundry bag and detergent for personal use. Recovery-related literature or self-help books. Finally, pack an open mind and a willingness to embrace change and recovery. Remember, rehab is a time for self-discovery and healing, so focus on essentials that will support your physical and emotional well-being. Leave behind any items that may trigger negative behaviors or distractions. Most importantly, be prepared to engage in the therapeutic process and make the most of your 30-day journey towards a healthier and happier life. Good luck on your road to recovery.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.